Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the Blood Vitals Glucose Monitor. So the Blood Vitals Glucose Monitor has been getting attention in 2026 for its promise of easy, non-invasive blood sugar tracking, but the big question is it legit or is it just another scam? So on the positive side, it's marketed as sleek, portable device that doesn't require finger pricks, making it attractive for people managing diabetes for monitoring glucose or health reasons. However, red flags appear that when you look closer, there's limited scientific backing, vague company information, and mixed customer reviews, with some praising its convenience while others call it inaccurate or misleading. So, unlike trusted brands with FDA clearance, the Blood Vitals lacks transparent clinical proof, which make it bold claims questionable. So, if you're serious about glucose monitoring, I suggest you to take the official ones or branded ones in order to have your medical be approved by other professionals. But if you're curious to approach with this one, just approach it with caution. So the bottom line for this is that it leans more toward hype than verified health tech, so do thorough research before buying.